Welcome back to Build with Blaze Studio. In this episode, we'll create the engineering project that brings our domain model to life using low code. Let's quickly recap the last session. We set up a complete domain project, entering key details, and explored the configuration canvas. We configured the subdomain hierarchy step by step, aligning it with the business requirements. Next, we configured the business entities along with their aggregates and relationships. Next, we configured entity attributes by manually entering them, duplicating from existing ones, and uploading an Excel sheet for bulk creation. Finally, we reviewed the setup and published the domain configurations successfully. Now let's walk through the process of creating an engineering project in Blaze Studio. After login, go to the engineering dashboard and click Create Engineering Project. Select the previously published domain project from the domain list. Once the right panel loads the domain details, take a moment to confirm the correct domain project is selected. Enter a suitable name for the engineering project. Provide a clear and relevant description for the engineering project. And from the available capabilities, select services and interfaces needed for this project. Click Next to start configuring the service for your engineering project. Choose the desired subdomain for your microservice from the displayed list. Enter a unique name for the microservice, as it will be used to create the code repository for generated code. Set the microservice version using semantic versioning format. Select the desired Spring Boot version from the drop-down. Select the desired Java version from the drop-down. Group ID and artifact ID must be set with appropriate values for your service. From the available list, select the necessary dependencies for your service. Add a clear and meaningful description for your service. Click Next to proceed with UI configuration. Provide a suitable name for the UI project, as it will become the repository name for the generated UI code. Enter the version in semantic format and add a relevant description for the UI project. Select a color scheme from the available option. Select the device type for UI code generation. Select a layout. It defines the structure of your UI screen. Click on Submit to begin creating the engineering project. A toast message on the top right will indicate each stage of the creation process. After creation, you're taken to the project's landing page. Click the domain name under the Domain section on the left panel to view its associated domain model. Click the service name on the left panel to explore its components. Within that, click on Entities to see how domain model entities are linked to the microservice. Click on Repository, Service and Controller to view the auto-generated CRUD methods for your microservice. Click on the UI project to explore its components and configurations. That's all for this video. We walked through creating an engineering project in Blaze Studio. Next up, we'll explore how to configure validations on entities at the service level for ensuring data integrity. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated.